The fifth round of the FIM Motocross World Championship brings us to northern Italy, where the area is simply stunning. And for the sporty, there's always something to do all year round. We're back in Pietramarata. Now, this hard-packed circuit here has been on the calendar since 1987 and has since then hosted 16 motocross GPs. But it's not just famous for motocross. In Portugal, Jorge Prado looked sporty all weekend, claiming his first GP win of the season. To breathe life into his MXGP Championship Challenge. However, Tim Geiser remains the top dog and is always happy to come back to a track where he claimed his 4th world title 2 years ago. He will also be cheered on by his travelling fans. Tom Viel made it back-to-back GP wins in Portugal, but will not be wanting to look back at his experience here last year when he was powerless to prevent Maxime Renaux from claiming the MX2 title. Jago Hirtz loves this track though and will be hopeful of extending his lead at the top of the MX2 standings. However, the event organisers have thrown in a little twist this year, reversing the track so that it rides in the opposite direction. How will that affect the racing? Well, we're about to find out at the MXGP of Trentino. Don't forget to subscribe and you will receive a notification when anything new is posted on our channel, right here. Enjoy!